Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name. Neakasa M1 Plus Bundle Open Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box with App Control. Unlike the standard M1, this M1 Plus bundle includes 2 extra rolls of waste bags, 4 rolls total, 2 standard plus 2 free giveaway, 60 PCS in total. Comes with 1X M1 Plus Cat Automatic Litter Box, 1X Litter Trap Mat, 4X Rolls Waste Bags, 1X Manual, 1X Quick Start. Open top design with 6-array rotary sensors provides ample room for large cats. Say goodbye to cramped entryways. Equipped with 4 weight sensors and 6-array rotary sensors to accurately monitor cat activity. A dedicated kitten mode protects cats under 3.3 pounds. For multi-cat homes, recognition requires a weight difference of greater than or equal to 1.1 lbs/0.5 kg, ensuring accurate tracking. Requires only 3.4 square foot of space, 23.3 times 20.7 in. Suitable for cats from 3.3 to 33 pounds and supports up to 3 cats. Use the Neakasa app, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, to track litter levels, monitor bathroom habits, and switch operation modes. One-tap access to our support team ensures worry-free after-sales service. Two. Product name. Self-cleaning cat litter box for multiple cats, automatic. Open-top design cats appreciate. Experience a spacious open-top litter box designed with a generous 16.33-inch by 15.35-inch entrance. This design aims to provide a comfortable environment for cats of all sizes, including larger breeds. The open-top layout also promotes better ventilation, which may help reduce lingering odors and create a more pleasant space for both you and your feline companion. Multi-layered safety features. Prioritize your cat's safety with our advanced monitoring system. Featuring 4 infrared sensors and 3 Hall effect sensors, this self-cleaning litter box actively detects your cat's presence. The design incorporates safety measures to minimize potential pinch points. Crucially, the cleaning cycle automatically pauses if your cat enters during operation, helping to prevent accidents and provide a secure environment. Three. Product name. Automatic Litter Box Open Top Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Open top comfort, spacious access for happy cats, boasting a generous 16.5 times 16.5 entrance, far roomier than cramped closed designs. This open top litter box lets your cat enter and exit freely, no claustrophobic feelings. The wide, unobstructed space boosts comfort and safety, creating a welcoming spot your cat will actually enjoy using. Dual safety tech, 7 sensors for instant protection. The system is equipped with 4 weight-activated sensors plus 3 high-precision infrared detectors and pauses instantly at the first sign of your cat's proximity or movement. Double-layered detection ensures zero risk of accidental operation, safety you can trust. Four. Product name. PETKIT Pura Max 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. PETKIT Pura Max 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Basic bundle includes PETKIT Pura Max 2 Upgraded Automatic Cat Litter Box, N52.0, Trash Bag, 20 PCS, Cat Litter Sifter, Magnetic Cat Litter Remover, Decorative Stickers, Quick Start Guide, User Manual, US Adapter. Kindly notice, the accessories have been packed in the waste bin. Please pull out the waste bin when you receive the litter box, then you will find them. No mess and leakage free, With a patented seamless shield base for 360 degrees sealing, the upgraded cylinder ensures mess-free maintenance, reduces the need for frequent cleaning, and helps keep the cylinder odor-free. The high-performance litter pad Max features elastic edges for a tight and firm fit. Five. Product name. Automatic litter box, self-cleaning litter box, odor control. Self-cleaning and no scooping, say goodbye to daily scooping. Our self-cleaning litter box activates within 2 minutes after your cat exits, separates waste, and deposits it into a trash bin. Enjoy a fresh home and zero scooping, even with 10-day of extended use, since the ample 9L trash bin. Advanced no-smell system, our self-cleaning litter box adopts double defense to keep your home consistently fresh. First, the integrated ABS material prevents urine leaks and traps odors at the source. An odor-proof cover physically traps smells, while scented gel ensures a consistently fresh environment, which keeps the smell sealed in zero escapes. Enjoy real odor-free living.